In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear browsing history on Google Chrome app. If your browser feels sluggish or you just want a quick privacy reset on your phone, clearing your history is a simple task you can do in seconds. With the Chrome app open, look for the three-dot menu icon. Depending on your device, you'll usually find it at the top or bottom right of the screen. Tap that icon to open Chrome's main menu. This menu gives you quick access to bookmarks, history, downloads, and most importantly for today, settings. From here, choose settings. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down the menu until it appears. Settings is where Chrome keeps all of its controls for your account, site permissions, and data management. If your app looks a little different, don't worry, the option is typically in the same place, even if the layout varies slightly. Inside settings, select privacy and security. This section is dedicated to how Chrome handles your information and is the place to manage what's stored on your device. Think of it as your hub for keeping things tidy and private. Next, tap Delete Browsing Data. On some versions, this may be labeled Clear Browsing Data. It's the same option. This opens a panel with everything you can remove. Depending on your version, you may also see Basic and Advanced tabs. Both take you to the same clearing action, with Advanced simply showing more detail. Now, highlight exactly what you want to delete. At the top, you can pick a time range such as last hour, last 24 hours, or all time. If you're unsure, start with last hour to test the effect. Below that, choose the data types. Browsing history removes the list of sites you've visited. Cookies and site data can sign you out of websites and reset site preferences. Cached images and files free up storage and can fix loading issues, though pages may load slightly slower the first time afterward. If you use Sync with your Google account, clearing browsing history here may also remove it from other devices signed in with the same account. After you've highlighted the items you want and confirmed the time range, confirm by tapping Clear Data or Delete Data at the bottom. You may be asked to confirm again, proceed, and give it a moment to finish. No restart is required, and you can continue browsing right away. That's it. You've cleared your Chrome browsing history on your phone. If your goal was speed, consider leaving cookies alone and focusing on cache. If your goal was privacy, include cookies and history. You can repeat this process anytime you need a fresh start, especially after using a shared device. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.